Hey guys, it's me Nina back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with gel shaving cream. Let's get on with the video. First thing you'll need is Elmer's glue, gel shaving cream, borax, acrylic paint, a bowl and spoon, a cup of warm water. First add in your glue. You can add any amount. Add in your gel shaving cream. Mix together.
How fun having okay.
Add a little bit more glue. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of your borax solution. Mix well. And then after you keep on adding your 1 tablespoon each time until it gets to slime, then you will just have to play with it with your hands. I'll see you when I'm done. After you add 1 tablespoon of your borax solution, add in as much acrylic paint as you want. After you did all of that process, you had this beautiful slime. If it's not this stretchy that you want it to be, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Here, I'm putting in 30 seconds in the microwave. It's done. After you did that, it could be hot, but if it isn't, it's really fluffy and stretchy. And it pokes very well. After you get your container, you may take it out of the bowl and put it in. And now you have this perfectly good batch of slime. Thank you guys so much for watching my slime video. I had so much fun and I hope you guys did too. I had so much fun making this slime with gel shaving cream. I'm definitely gonna make it myself more. I hope you guys see me in my next video, just in case. Subscribe down below and turn on my notifications that you don't miss anything. Comment down below what you want me to do next and give it a like. Okay guys, love you guys so much. Bye!